But overall, it's actually not that bad. I got the heater on right now, but it does welcome in some fumes because of race car. Overall, it's a pretty good ride. Right now, I'm datalogging some stuff for the tuner. It's about 55 degrees. It's a boost temperature is what we like to call it, but tires are not warm. I'm gonna warm them up a little bit, you know. So yeah, car's running good. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. There's gonna be some adjustments we're gonna have to do, but I really cannot complain about it. Solid car. First turbo car I've ever owned, so definitely happy about it. The six, no, is it a 4 clutch? I think it might. I got to look back. I think it's a 4 clutch. It is a little stiffer than I'm used to, but once you kind of get used to it, it's completely fine. And the fucking sun is like this. But yeah, overall it's fine. With the on seats, it's a little hard to see, but I feel pretty good, pretty safe about it. I'm a huge fan of the ball valves in a turbo car. I'm not gonna lie to you. Right now we're just on pump gas, nothing fancy, just pump gas, pump 93. I think when summer or spring comes around, we want to definitely do a E85, but right now this is what we got. Can't say where I'm at, but right now I'm just kind of not officially doing any pulls. Just more than anything, kind of warming up the tires a little bit. The engine's pretty warm. Oil pressure is good, oil temp is good, but I'm just trying to warm up the tires essentially. It's just cold tires, light car, decent power. It's not a good recipe for, you know, traction. So as soon as I get to a nice spot where I want to see, I'm going to try to do a pull. Hopefully you guys can hear it from, it's loud, you know, so hopefully you guys can hear the pull. We are based in the Midwest, so we're like in the Chicagoland area, so it does get cold here, you know, fall time. So it's just, we're trying to battle the temps right now. The sun is like right in my face. Okay, now we're datalogging. Right now we're just taking it easy on certain roads. But we're gonna give it a little, we're gonna give it some squirts up a little bit. You can tell like it gets a little floaty, and that's got to do with just being a front-wheel drive car and the fact that it's cold outside, so the tires are probably, you know, they're like trying to get traction. But right now we're on some slim 215s. I use these for autocross. They were my biggest excuse me. Go ahead, stupid. Okay. They're the biggest tire I ran when I ran the single overhead cam. So as you can tell, it's not, you know, the best for, I would say I'm around, I don't know, I'm gonna go low obviously, but I'm gonna assume like 260. But you know, I got some 225s with me. I have an idea about maybe running 245s down the road, but I got to do some fender finessing to do that. You know. Plus, I want to run this fuel. I got a quarter tank left, and I want to run this fuel down as much as I can. I don't want to have like a full tank of fuel, and then I'm just fucking, you know, just sitting there. I am in third gear right now. Let's see if we can do a little pulley. Oh yeah. I don't know what he did to this tune, but David from AutoWorks, Performance AutoWorks, he's giving all the scorch right now, and I'm a fan of it. If you did any tuning, he's in the Chicagoland area, Burbs-ish. David from P-Works, Performance AutoWorks. He rebuilds, I mean, this guy does it all. So he has taken his time as far as no, it's a cop. He was taking his time as far as tuning the car. So I really cannot complain as far as what he's done with it and how he's gone about it. He didn't just say, hey, I'm gonna give you 3 tunes, this should be good. No, he's like, hey, we're gonna take our time and we're gonna, you know, raise the boost a little bit, fine tune some stuff, check with the fuel trim, make sure it's not running too lean or too rich. So I would say I'm pretty close to being done with the tuning, log tuning, just maybe one more pull, and I think that's it.